Okay, right here is a 2003 Terex O&K RH30F. The RH30F was first introduced by O&K in 2002 as a replacement for the older RH30E model. Available from O&K in either front shovel or backhoe configurations, depending on what the customer preferred, the RH30F was designed to swing a bull clam ranging from 5.5 to 9.7 cubic yard capacity in front shovel configuration and swing a rock bucket ranging from 4.6 to 9.2 cubic yard capacity in backhoe configuration. Additionally, 3 different boom lengths and 4 different stick lengths were offered for the RH30F in backhoe configuration, allowing the customer to pick and choose the proper boom and stick combination to meet the job requirements. This particular RH30F that you are looking at right here is equipped with a 23-foot 9-inch boom, a 9-foot 6-inch stick, and an 8 cubic yard bucket for high production loading. When O&K engineers were designing the RH30F, they completely redesigned the backhoe configuration for this excavator and replaced the twin stick cylinder design utilized on the older RH30E with a single stick cylinder on the new RH30F series. And if you look on the back of the stick, you can see the single bucket cylinder to curl the bucket in and out. To help give you an idea of the size of an RH30F, this excavator measures 13 feet 1 inch tall from the ground to the top of the ropes over the operator's cab and 12 feet 8 inches wide. An optional raised cab design was also offered for the RH30F in front shovel configuration, which would boost the operator up an additional 20 inches. Right here you can see where the 2 boom cylinders pin to the superstructure on the machine. The RH30F could be equipped with either 20-inch, 24-inch, 30-inch, or 36-inch crawler shoes, depending on the type of ground conditions that the excavator would be working in. The narrow 20-inch crawler shoes were primarily installed on the front shovel configuration. Additionally, 2 different undercarriages were offered for the RH30F, which included a short rigid frame heavy-duty, or HD, undercarriage designed for hard rock applications, which measured 18 feet 10 inches in length, and a heavy-duty retractable long, or HD RLC undercarriage, designed for softer ground applications, higher stability, and lower ground pressure, which measured 20 feet 9 inches in length. This RH30F is equipped with the longer HD RLC undercarriage. This excavator also has 2 travel speeds, 1.9 miles per hour at low speed and 2.9 miles per hour at high speed. Now, let's go up on the RH30F. From here you can get a good overview inside the operator's cab of the RH30F. Okay. Off to the right side, you can see all the gauges and warning lights to monitor this entire excavator when it's in operation. On the right side control panel, you can see switches to start and stop the excavator, and other switches to work other various functions on this machine, such as for the front windshield wipers, headlights, and the air conditioning. These two foot pedals that you see directly out in front of the operator's seat on the floor control the travel functions on this excavator. Each foot pedal controls each individual track. And the two joysticks that you see off to the left and right side of the operator's seat control all the digging functions of the backhoe attachment in the front, or if the machine were set up as a front shovel. And from right here you can get a crystal clear view of what the operator would see if he were running an RH30F. The swing system on an RH30F consists of a single axial piston swing motor, which you can see right here, that works in a closed-loop swing circuit with torque control for minimal energy consumption during acceleration and energy recycling during braking. And if you look directly ahead of the swing motor, in between the machine's superstructure, you can get a good view of the machine's hydraulic system. And here you can see all the hydraulic hoses that run out to power the front attachment. On the right side of this excavator is the engine house. Let's take a look inside. The RH30F is powered by a Cummins QSK19, turbocharged and aftercooled inline 6-cylinder diesel engine, which you can see looking right inside here. And this engine produces 510 horsepower for this excavator. On the top of the engine house, you can see the single air intake and air cleaner for the engine. And here you can see the exhaust muffler. The diesel engine drives 3 pumps on the pump drive, which consist of 2 swash plate main pumps and 1 swash plate swing pump, which you can get a good view of looking right down inside here. The pumps are regulated by the RH30's Pump Managing System, or PMS for short. This electronic load limit regulation system will pull additional oil flow from another pump based on demand from joystick position and load. The pump managing system does this by constantly measuring the actual values of the engine output and hydraulic system and compares these values with stored target values, thus permitting improved pump precision. And the benefit to this is virtually no power loss, lower oil temperatures, and increased fuel savings. Mounted in the center of this excavator is the hydraulic oil reservoir tank, which you can see right here. And on the left side of this excavator is the hydraulic oil cooler, which you can see right down inside there. Hydraulic cooling on the RH30F is completely independent from all main circuits. And mounted directly behind the operator's cab is a 277-gallon diesel fuel tank, which you can see right here. And here you can see the cap to fill the tank with fuel. From underneath here, you can see where the two axial piston travel motors are located, one on each crawler frame, and this is what will propel each individual track. The two motors are connected to planetary gear, and as you can see, they are encased inside of metal shields to protect the motors and the hydraulic lines that run to power the motors from any rocks, dirt, or falling debris when the excavator is in operation. And on the back of the machine's counterweight, you can see where it says O&K. And the overall operating weight of an RH30F in backhoe configuration can range anywhere between 93 and 96 tons with the HD undercarriage and range between 96.7 and 100 tons with the HD RLC undercarriage. In front shovel configuration, this machine weighs in between 93.2 and 95.2 tons. The RH30F remained in production until 2007, when this machine was dropped from O&K's product line. But there she is, a 2003 Terex O&K RH30F.